children. Good morning, everybody. My friend came home and asked me, from where did you get the star? Get the star, get the star. From where did you get the star? And I said, I got it from the shop, a toy shop. She went there and she asked the shopkeeper, from where did you get the star? Get the star, get the star. From where did you get the star? The shopkeeper said, I got it from the warehouse. She went to the warehouse and she asked, from where did you get the star? Get the star, get the star. And they said, they got it from the toy industry. She said, I know what is toy, but what is an industry? You're right, children. Today we are going to learn about industry, and industries in India. Okay. Before going to industry, now I wanted to tell you something. Now, what is this? This is pear, right? From where do we get this? It grows the tree. Okay. Now, from where do we get this? This is a chocolate. Do we have a chocolate tree? No, right? So we make it, right? So the goods, we call it as goods now. The goods are divided into goods which we get in nature. Nature is called as natural goods, and the goods which we produce, we make, is called as man-made goods. Okay, so now this man-made goods are produced in industry. So industry involves lots of activities in producing the goods. Today we will learn what all our activities is the processing of goods in this lesson. Okay, so industry involves lots of activities in producing the goods. Now, again, our industry is classified into two types. Okay, now it goes like this. It is classified into two types. One is your goods industry. So then what do you call goods industry, which produces goods. The other one is a service industry. What is service industry? Okay, you go to school, your ma'am teaches you, and she teaches you discipline, English, math, everything. She gives, this is English, take and go. This is math, take and go. Does she give you like a goods? No. You're not feeling well and you're going to hospital, and you're in hospital, you're being treated. Yes or no? So here they are helping you, they are taking care of you, and they work for you. That is called as service industry. Whereas in goods industry, they manufacture goods, produce goods. Whereas in service industry, they work for you. So that is the difference between a goods industry and a service industry. So you got it. A goods industry is a place where goods are manufactured. There is a service industry where they work for you. Okay. So if I have to make this biscuit, then what do I require? I needed flour, then I needed butter, then I needed sugar. Yes. So these main items which is used to prepare my biscuit is called as raw materials. Okay. So now I would like to share a PPT with you where we will be learning about the processing of goods in the factory. From where are we getting all the goods? Let us see now. And what all the process it undergoes. Okay, yes. So let's go. Yes. So processing of goods. So remember the main items which we use to manufacture goods are called as raw materials. First the raw materials are collected, then it goes to factory, then where they start manufacturing the goods. Once it is manufactured, then it goes for packing, it is packed and it is stored in a warehouse. Warehouse is a big storehouse, big storeroom. Like how we have storeroom at home, it's small for a family. A warehouse is a very, very huge store place, and then it goes to shop, and from shop we are getting it. Now this is the processing of goods. Now we can see how do we get our chocolates or tea or whatever we are using a day-to-day life. There's a long process. First the raw materials are collected, it comes to the factory, we start manufacturing there, then it is packed, stored in the warehouse. From there it is supplied to the mall, and then we go and buy. We are called as customer. One who uses the goods, one who buys the goods are called as customers. Okay. Now let me go. Now uh, we love to wear cotton dresses. So what is the raw material used to make a cotton material? Cotton is the raw material used. It is converted into cloth in industries. And what is the raw material if we have to make a furniture? You're right, the wooden logs. Now, can you please tell me now which one comes first, the tomato or the ketchup? You're right, the tomatoes. So the tomatoes are the raw materials to prepare ketchup. Now you can see the processing of ketchup in the industry. Now, yeah, let's go here. You know what? Our industries are divided into three types, okay, depending on the production of the goods. Okay, first industry is called the cottage industry. Now, I want you to keep your hand like this, okay? Cottage industry. Then it is a small scale industry. Then it is a large scale industry. Industries are of three types, okay? Cottage industry, small scale industry, large industry. Okay, now what is cottage industry? Can you look at this picture? You can see there's mommy or daughter sitting and all are sitting. Okay, yes, you're right. Cottage industry where only the family members work in producing the goods. So it is a small industry where only the family members are involved in producing the goods. So example are they are weaving the baskets, lampshade, and one more also. If you have watched the pottery industry, they make uh, pots, right? Like they're also only the family members are involved. Okay. Now next, let's go to the next. Next to the small scale industry. As the name says, the industry is small and very few people work there, and small machineries are used in this industry. Few industries, examples are your furniture industry, rubber producing industries. Okay, as the name says, small scale industry is small industry where small machineries are used and very few people work in producing the goods. Let's go to the third type, shipbuilding industry. Then it has to be a large industry, right? Large industries where huge people, lot, it's very huge and more people, thousands of people work, and big machineries are used to produce the goods. So one such example is shipbuilding, then aeroplane building, your cars, automobiles, and all those come under large scale industry. Okay, children, so industries are divided into three types. One is cottage industries, where only family members work in producing the goods. Next one is small scale industry, where this industry is small and few people work with small machineries. Large scale industry, it's large and more people work there with large machinery to produce more goods or a very huge goods. Okay, so thank you, children. Next class will continue with industries in India. Okay, so until then, let us practice what is industry, what is different classification in industry, what is raw material, and we will go with types of industry. Okay, until then, thank you. We'll see you in the next class. Okay, so don't forget to practice what we learned today. Thank you, children.